Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to discuss about TDS relation, that is thermodynamic relations between temperature and the change in entropy. We know entropy is a function of any other two properties. Here case 1, that is first TDS equation. Okay, we take entropy is a function of temperature and specific volume. I differentiate it. ds equal to partial differentiation. First of all, entropy should be partially differentiated with respect to temperature and then volume. Okay, so dou S by dou T at volume remains constant into dt plus dou S by dou V at temperature remains constant into dV multiplied by T on both sides because our requirement is TDS equation. So multiplied by T on both sides, the equation becomes T into ds equal to T into dou S by dou T at volume constant into dt plus T into dou S by dou V at temperature constant into dV. Let it be the first equation, that is main equation. We have to derive the remaining terms and we have to substitute in this first equation. We get the final TDS equation. Okay. For a reversible constant volume change process, for a reversible constant volume process, we know heat transfer at constant volume process, it can be mCV into delta T. Take m equal to 1 kilogram. So the equation becomes Q is equal to CV into delta T. Okay. So now I apply the differential term. How can we apply the differential term? Please listen. This dq can be written as dq equal to Cv into delta T is nothing but dt, that is change in temperature at constant volume. Let it be equation number 2. Okay. Let it be equation number 2. Now I continue this derivation. We know for entropy relation ds equal to dq divided by T. This is for a reversible process. So this equation can be written as dq equal to T into ds. Let it be third equation. Okay. Now equating the equations 2 and 3, second equation sayum third equation sayum enna panna porona equate panna porom 2 and 3. In second equation left hand side dq, in third equation also left hand side dq. So equating the second equation third equation, we get left hand side equal to right hand side. So Cv into dt at volume constant equal to T into ds. So from this relation we have to take the value of Cv only. So T into ds divided by dt at constant volume. We can write this relation as Cv equal to T into dou S by dou T at volume remains constant. Let it be fourth equation. Okay. Now we have to derive Maxwell relations. For substituting the Maxwell relation, that's very important. So what is the Maxwell relation? For calculating the Maxwell or for deriving the Maxwell relation, we use a simple technique. Okay. Draw a square box. Pressure, okay, pressure, volume, temperature, entropy. Now we have take the equations, Maxwell relation. First, top to bottom. So first one, dou t by dou v. So first relation, dou t by dou v equal to right hand side dou p by dou s. So dou p by dou s. In this relation, T composite, yes. So entropy is constant. Here V. So V as constant. You consider PS as police station. If you go to police station, you have negative impression. So I take it as negative. This is the first Maxwell equation. This is the first Maxwell equations. Okay. Now I have to derive second Maxwell equation. How is it derived? Listen carefully. First Maxwell equation is derived by top to bottom. Now bottom to top. Okay. So dou v by dou t. Dou v by dou t at pressure constant equal to here dou s by dou p at temperature constant. This is second Maxwell equation. Here also PS is coming together. So it is police station. We take it as minus sign. Okay. This is for a shortcut method. Third Maxwell relation. How can we derive? Listen. Left to right. Now we derive the third Maxwell relation as left to right. So left to right, dou t by dou p at entropy constant equal to dou v by dou s at pressure constant. So P. This is the third Maxwell relation. Then fourth Maxwell relation, how can we derive? Right to left, that is the shortcut method, right to left. So our Maxwell equation is dou p by dou t at volume remains constant equal to dou s by dou v at temperature remains constant. Let it be fourth Maxwell equation. Friends, you consider the general equation number 1, that is T into dou s by dou t at V constant into dt plus T into dou s by dou v at T constant into dv. How can we replace this equation? Among 4 Maxwell relation, one of the equation is dou s by dou v at T equal to dou s by dou v at T equal to this relation. Dou s by dou v at T equal to dou p by dou t at V. Okay. So use Maxwell relation number 4. Okay. Use Maxwell relation number 4. That is dou p by dou t at volume constant equal to dou s by dou v at T constant. This relation can be substituted in equation number 1. Now, next step, what we do, substitute equation number 4 and this Maxwell relation. Okay, this is the next step. Substitute equation number 4 and Maxwell relation 4 in the equation number 5. Sorry, in the equation number 1. Okay. So our first equation is TdS equal to T into, our first equation is TdS equal to T into dou S by dou T into dt. Dou S by dou T into dt at volume constant plus T into dou S by dou V into dV at T constant. This is the first equation. Already we derived. Now you substitute the equation number 4 and Maxwell relation. What is the equation number 4? Cv equal to T into dou S by dou T. Cv equal to T into dou S by dou T. this can be replaced by CV. So TdS equal to CV into dt plus by Maxwell relation dou S by dou V equal to dou P by dou T. So T into dou P by dou T at volume constant into dV. Okay. So this is the first TdS equation or first Maxwell relation. Okay. The above equation is known as first TdS equation. Now we derive second TdS equation, case 2. Take entropy is a function of temperature and pressure. Differentiate ds equal to dou S by dou T into dt at pressure remains constant. That is, entropy should be partially differentiated with respect to T plus dou S by dou P into dP at temperature remains constant, multiplied by T on both sides. So equation becomes TdS equal to T into dou S by dou T into dt at pressure constant plus T into dou S by dou P at temperature constant into dP. Let it be equation number 1 for case 2 1. Okay. Now for a constant pressure process, here we take S is the function of temperature and pressure. So for a reversible constant pressure process, Q equal to M into Cp into delta T. Take M as 1 kilogram. So Q equal to Cp into delta T. Differentiate dQ equal to Cp into dt at constant volume. Let it be second equation. Now, according to second law of thermodynamics, there is entropy concept. ds equal to, by second law, ds equal to dQ by T for any reversible process. So dQ equal to T into ds. Let it be third equation. Okay. This is the general format for second case TdS equation. Now I have to use comparison, that is equating the equations 2 and 3. That is Cp into dt at constant volume equal to T into ds. Second equation, third equation compare பண்ணும்போது இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Left hand side dq equal to dq. Okay. That is left hand side